everyone. Welcome back to Math Instruction with Mrs. Coulter. This week, we are going to talk about something called fact families. You have been working on multiplication and division. We worked on arrays. Last week, we worked on share equals share drawings and how to multiply by 2s and 5s. And this week, I'm going to dive a little deeper and to teach you about fact families. You might remember when you learned about addition that a fact family consists of three numbers that, when arranged in the correct way with the correct symbols in between, they will equal a certain amount. For example, let me explain. If you have 4 plus 6, we know that 4 plus 6 equals 10. So our fact family numbers are 4, 6, and 10. So when we organize them using different symbols, we need to make sure that we always include the three numbers, but depending on which symbol we use determines which order we put them in. Sounds kind of confusing. Let me break it down. Using the commutative property, we know that 4 plus 6 equals 10, so 6 plus 4 also equals 10. Then, using our biggest number, we would put 10 here. And if we're going to do a subtraction problem, we could put 10 minus 4. And using the three numbers in our fact family, we would know that the number that we're missing is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. Then, if we switch the 6, we would know that 10 minus 6 equals, look up at our fact family, and which number are we missing? 4. So this is an example of a fact family for addition and subtraction. You can use the same concept for multiplication and division. For example, if I were to give you the numbers 4, 5, and 20, that is a fact family. If I were to task you with organizing these in correct equations that are true to prove this fact family, it would look like this. 4 times 5, I know from last week's practice that 4 times 5 means I have to count by 5 4 times. So 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Using the commutative property of multiplication, I know that if I switch the 4 and 5 times 4 also equals 20. Then I will take my biggest number of the fact family, which is 20, and divide by one of the smaller numbers, 20 divided by 5, which will give me the number that I'm missing in my fact family. I have the 20, I have the 5, so I know that 20 divided by 5 must equal 4. Then I will do my last equation. 20 divided by 4. Look up here, and which number am I missing from my fact family to make that equation true? 5. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. This is the fact family, and here are my equations to prove that fact family. I'm going to give you 3 more numbers for a different fact family, and what I would like for you to do this week is to create the equations that prove that fact family to be true. I'm going to do it with 2 different fact families, and I will get you started with the first multiplication problem and the first division problem. So if we have the fact family 3, 3, and 9, I would know 3 times 3 equals 9. And 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So you'll need one more one more multiplication and one more division. Now with this problem, it's pretty simple because we have the same two of the same factors. The next one is 4, 8, and 32. I will get you started. 4 times 8 equals 32. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. So please, for your assignment this week, fill in which equation you are missing here and here, and a multiplication problem here with this fact family, and a division problem here with this fact family. See what other fact families you can come up with this week. Have a great week.